Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect SAP HANA to Databricks for distributed analytics, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect SAP HANA to Databricks for distributed analytics, begin by ensuring you have the necessary permissions and access. Start by launching your Databricks workspace. Log in using your credentials. Create a new cluster in Databricks for your analytics workload. Once the cluster is running, navigate to the Libraries tab. Here, you will need to install the JDBC driver for SAP HANA. To do this, select Install New and choose the jar option. Upload the JDBC driver file for SAP HANA from your local machine. After the upload is complete, attach the library to your running cluster. Next, open a new notebook in Databricks. Set the notebook's language to Python or Scala, depending on your preference. Now, import the necessary libraries to establish a JDBC connection. For Python, you will typically need to import pyspark.sql. If using Scala, make sure to import org.apache.spark.sql. Define your database connection properties, including the SAP HANA host, port, database name, user, and password. String together the connection URL using the JDBC format. The URL should look like this: JDBC SAPI // host port / database name equals database _name. Use the spark.read.jdbc function to establish the connection. Pass in the connection URL and your defined properties. Once connected, you can query tables from SAP HANA directly. Utilize standard SQL syntax within the read function, referencing the desired tables. Load the data into a data frame for further analysis in Databricks. After obtaining your data frame, conduct any necessary transformations or aggregations. You can visualize your results using Databricks' built-in features. Make sure to save your data frame or results as needed. Finally, conduct performance checks to ensure your setup meets the analytics requirements. Now you are ready to leverage SAP HANA's data capabilities alongside Databricks for enhanced distributed analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.